하나씩 말고. Here, put these two in there. Okay, one at a time. There you go. Alright, Hyunjin. Okay, here it is. The 4 rules of gun safety are, there's always one in the chamber. Don't forget. Don't point this at anything you're not willing to destroy. And then, remember what's behind your target. Remember. And also, leave your finger off of the trigger and the trigger guard until you have your target in sight. Those are the 4 rules, okay? All right, this is how you start it, okay? You wanna try? 여기 위에만 눌러봐, okay? Just 여기 위에만, okay? Be careful, okay? 위에만 요거. 여기 위에. 여기 위에, okay? Get ready? Okay, whoa. Good job, okay. Alright. So, 아직은? 조금만 더 할래? Okay. Alright, the reason why. Oh my goodness. Wow, okay, done. Now, there still could be some in the chamber, so we have to be very careful, okay? So I'm going to take the battery out. Let's take the battery out. Remember, do not point that at anything you're not willing to destroy. That includes that camera over there. So I've taken the battery out. Now, we're going to take the magazine out. So here's the magazine. It's empty. We have to pick up all the balls, 200 of them. And then remember, in this chamber here, there could always be one in the chamber. Yeah. Was that fun, Hyunjin? Okay, here. And the reason why we're not wearing goggles right here is because we were shooting it way over there. And these balls, once they're bouncing, they're very, very squishy. They're very squishy. So I'm not too worried about something bouncing off of the wall way over there and then hitting us. Yeah, these are very squishy. But I would definitely not have you anywhere over there because if you get hit in the eye, you could get injured. If you get hit here, it might be like, oh, ouchie. Okay, good job.